Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I would like to welcome everyone to Mahdi English School online education. I am here with a new session of mathematics of class 1. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Today's thought is success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. What is the thought? That success is achieved, not only achieved, also maintained by those who try and keep trying always. They never stop themselves at any point. They always try to improve themselves as well as they want to achieve more in their life. So, my dear tiny students, wish you a very large best of luck for your bright future. So, you all are ready to attend the session. If you are watching at channel, then you might have completed the English lecture. Okay, so now get ready to attend maths lecture. Yes, before we start, everyone, sit straight at your place, make your back straight and look at the board, everyone. Get ready with your book and compass box. Write the date and day in this corner, everyone. Write today's date here and day. Standard 1, subject maths. Everyone, write the heading, chapter number 7, SUBTRACTING, subtracting, GREATER, greater, NUMBERS, numbers. Look, my dear students, I am going to detect very slowly. Why? So that you all can copy the work with me. If I detect fast and fast, then it is not possible to copy by each and every one. So that it is my humble try that you all can write with me and you all can understand, and after that copy the work in your book. So my dear students, what you have to do, what is your duty now, that you have to complete with me. Okay? Is everyone completed the heading? Very good. Now for a while stop writing. Before starting, let me inform you with learning objectives for the whole chapter 7. What we are going to learn in the whole chapter. Counting back to subtract. Addition facts. Subtracting one digit from two-digit number. Subtraction using number strip. Double digit subtraction and problem solving. These are the whole objectives which we are going to learn in this chapter. Now, if anyone remembers, we already completed counting back to subtract, addition facts, subtracting one digit from two digit numbers. These three topics already we have completed. In previous lecture, we become familiar with double digit subtraction. And of course, we make practice with the help of one or two sums. So, what we are going to learn today? Learning objectives for today are, first of all, we will make revision of previous lecture, a very quick revision. After that, we make practice of exercise 7a. This exercise is included in maths textbook. I already have sent you the PDF. You can find this in that. At last, we will learn table of 5. So, let's begin our revision section first. In previous lecture, we become familiar with double digit subtraction. How to make double digit subtraction? Here is the example. Subtracting when both numbers have tens. In the story of Thirsty Crow, there were 35 stones on the ground. The Thirsty Crow picked 13 stones and put them in the jug. The water rose and he was able to drink it. How many stones were left on the ground? So, we have to prepare the equation. 35 minus 13 is equal to what? Write the numbers in their correct places. Look, tens and ones. 35 minus 13. First, subtract the ones. At ones place, we have 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 are loose pebbles or stones. Out of that, we are going to subtract 3. 1, 2 and 3. There remains 2. 5 minus 3, we get 2. Then subtract tens. After finishing ones column, move on to the tens. There we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. These are the ones. Leave it. These all 3 columns are 3 blocks of 10 stones. 1 tens, 2 tens and 3 tens. Out of that we have to cross out 1. There remains 1 and 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, we can say that there remains 22 stones on that field. Okay. This was a very quick revision of understanding of double digit subtraction. Now, each and everyone get ready for the writing part. In your book, write the heading EXERCISE exercise 7 and capital A. Exercise 7A. Is everyone completed? Very good. Is the heading completed? Everyone has completed. EXERCISE exercise 7A. After that, leave one line and then write the sum. First, write number 1 like this, because in exercise 7a we have 3 parts. So, first of all, write number 1 and then write SOLVE, solve. Each and every one write like this. Then write A, sum number A. Is everyone is copying with me? If not, then start writing as soon as possible, my dear. Sum number A. Now look, you are having square line book. You all are writing right now in square line book. There we have number 79 minus 4. Now look at here properly, all my dear students, that you have to write this number 4 at ones place. Here tens place is empty. So first of all, we are going to solve the ones column. There is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, what will come? Start backward counting 4 steps before 9. 8, 7, 6 and 5. By making backward counting, whenever you count 4 steps back before 9, we reach at 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Everyone completed? Now look. At tens place we have number 7. But here this place is empty. So 7 minus 0, we get 7. Everyone copy the answer in your book. 79 minus 4, you will get the answer 75. Everyone has properly copied? Very good. Now leave 2 blocks or 2 lines in your notebook. You all have to write on the same way, huh? Then write sum number B. 86 minus 3. 86 minus 3. Here you have to write number 3 at tens place only. Okay? 86 minus 3. Is everyone completing? Very good. Now, first of all, what should we do? At each and every time, I advise all of you to start counting from ones place only. Here at ones place we have 6 minus 3. Now tell me, how can we count this 6 minus 3? First of all, count your 6 fingers and let down 3, or make backward counting orally. 6 before, 5, 4, 3. Stop there, because we have to count only 3 steps backward. We reach at 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Completed. Now look at here, 8 minus, we have 0. So 8 minus 0, at the end we get number 8. 86 minus 3 is equal to 83. Everyone copy these two sums in your book. This is exercise 7a. There we have question number 1, solve. In it, sum A is 79 minus 4 is equal to 75. First of all, everyone copy this sum properly and make sure that you have to write the numbers at the proper place. 5 comes at ones place when 7 at tens. After finishing the sum, leave 2 boxes. This is compulsory. In the page, there comes only 2 or 3 sums, not more than. So leave 2 lines or 2 boxes and then write sum B. There is 86 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. When 8 minus 0, we get 8. 86 minus 3 is equal to 83. Is everyone completed this? Very good. Now, if you are going to write down, then leave 1 line here also. Sum number C. You have to write the numbers also. C. 55 minus 4. 55 minus 4. Everybody first copy the sums properly. Make sure that you have to write a number 4 at ones place only. 55 minus 4. Now, from where we should start counting? Definitely we are going to start counting from ones place, which is 5 minus 4. 5 before, 4, 3, 2, 1. We reach at 1. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Some parents told me to detect slowly so that students can copy it. That's why I am detecting slowly as well as I am describing everything so that you all can copy with me. As this is like our school classroom and this is the whole board. So if I am writing fast and fast, then you can't copy with it. That's why I decreases my speed and I am detecting very slowly so that you all can copy the work properly with me. So 5 minus 4, 1. Is everybody completed this sum? Very good. So after finishing the counting of one's place, start counting of tens place. Look, 5 is alone here. 5 is alone. This place is empty. 5 minus 0. So the rule of subtraction is whenever we are going to subtract 0 from any number, at the end we get the same number as an answer. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Everyone copy this properly. You must, I use must here, put this place empty, and just below number 5 here you have to write number 5 at answer place. If possible, make a box like this. 555 minus 4, we get 51. Okay. Now write some number D. 98 minus 5. 98 minus 5. Is everyone copy this properly? So here we are going to start solving. First of all, we will solve ones place or ones column. 8 minus 5. So make backward counting or move 5 steps backward from 8. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We reach at number 3, so it will be the answer. 8 minus 5, we get 3. Is everyone completed? You all are writing with me? Very good. Now move towards tens column. There is 9 minus 0. Again you have to put this place empty. So 9 minus 0, we get 9. 98 minus 5 is equal to 93. Everyone copy this sum in your book. Now leave 2 boxes and write some number E. There is 89 minus 8. Everyone copy this sum properly. 89 minus 8. Now first we are going to solve ones column. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We reach at number 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. copy number 1 at 1's place. Then move towards tens column 8 minus 0. This place is empty. 8 minus 0, we get number 8. 89 minus 8 is equal to 81. Is everyone copy all the three sums? Very good. Now if you are writing this side of the page, then leave two boxes. If not, leave down, then leave one line here and write the new sum. F 69 minus 7. 69 minus 7. Each and every one copy the sum properly, my dear. Write down the sum 69 minus 7. So first of all, we will solve the ones column. That is 9 minus 7. So 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Stop here. We reach at number 2. Write down number 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now start solving ones column. 6 minus 0. We get 6. 69 minus 7 is equal to 62. Now write sum G. F after G. 85 minus 5. So 5 minus 5, we get 0. Everyone copy the sum properly. 85 minus 5. 5 minus 5, we get 0. 8 minus 0, we get 8. 85 minus 5 is equal to 80. Everyone copy these two sums? Okay, then write down H. 5, 3, 53 minus 2. 53 minus 2. First solving ones place. 3 minus 2. 3 before 2 and 1. Copy number 1. 5 minus 0, we get 5. 53 minus 2 is equal to 51. My dear students, now I hope that you all are writing with me. Here the first part of exercise 7a becomes completed. In next lecture, exercise 7a will continue. Right now, we are going to learn and write table of 5. So you all are writing with me, na? Is everyone present here? Very good. Write the heading TABLE, table 5. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Enjoyed? Very good. Everyone at your home, each and every day, you all have to complete the homework as well as fair books of all the subjects, and stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.